there. And I need to get them back. One, two. I'm getting a bit used to this actually. I've moved the switch slightly to keep the heat in. I kind of moved it to there. I think that's halfway. I'm going to go and get my ciabatta and put it in. Without parchment this time, because the last time I used parchment. This time I'm not, just to see if there's a difference, whether it was just a waste of time or not. So here it goes. I'm going to put it in. The oven's at 250, a bit high. I'll just let some of the flames gone down now, so that's good. And I'm going to put this in this way. And keep an eye on it. Right, I can smell something happening, so I'm going to take the door off and have a look. And just turn my bread, because the thing about these gloves, they're great, but I can't, it's like, must be like NASA on a spaceship trying to move their stuff around. Okay. It's been about 4 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn this around again. Get my it's been a few minutes, about 2 minutes, and I'm flapping again. Just get the edges. Better. A little bit more on the other side, and then we're done. I think it's taken about 10 minutes in total to cook this little piece of bread. Yeah, that's golden, and so that's done. haven't really made much bread in the wood-fired oven, and with this loaf I put loads of flour on the metal peel, but I can safely say, yeah, you do need parchment because bread is stuck. Sometimes you just gotta try these things out to see if you need things or don't need them. I mean, it's not too bad. All you've got to do is get a sharp knife and it's all done. There's a heck of a lot of flour under here because I need it so much to stop it sticking. But this is cooled now. I'm gonna take this filthy peel away. Breadboard. So I just want to see if I've got any bubbling in this one. But I just want to cut this now and see my third attempt whether it's better than my second without burning the one side. Because this dough, I have to say, I forgot to say when I was baking it, this dough I've cold proofed it as well. And ooh, yeah, it has. So I cold proofed this dough for 2 nights. And I think that's changed the structure of the inside of the dough. This one's bubbly all the way through. I toasted my other bread, the rolls I made, and put butter and Marmite on them, and they were so delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna try that bit later tonight. The only thing that worries me about with dough when you're cooking it and you're not, it's very different. How do you know when it's cooked? I think the hollow tap helps, but to show you how bouncy. Yeah, it's very, very tasty, very nice. Look, I just want to show you how sticky this dough is, look. It is so sticky, it's glue. And I can smell burning. So either my parchment has gone on fire or my bread. So, I'm scared to turn this around because the smells of burn. Oh my gosh. Look. That's been in there for 5 minutes, 250 degree heat, with no flame at the back, and it's done that. So my ciabatta has cooled. I'm just going to give a slice. So it's got the bubbles at the top, and then it's thicker at the bottom with bubbles. You can see through the structure there. So let's show you the side that I burnt. The bigger, B-I-G-A, I'm not sure how that's actually pronounced, but I could see how it changed everything. I think worked a treat.